Hey loves! Here's your step-by-step tutorial full of practical tips for getting the best results using Cantu Weightless Range that helps you care for and style your waves and curls effortlessly. Let me show you how I take care of my waves. Here's your step-by-step guide to shampooing, conditioning, styling and drying your wavy hair to get beautiful bouncy waves every time using Cantu Weightless Range. Grab your products and let's get started. Our new Cantu Weightless Range has been formulated specially for waves and curls. Its lightweight formula doesn't weigh your hair down while it's non-greasy, smooths frizz, adds moisture and curl definition. And our secret ingredient? Organic blue agave. With our weightless products, all you'll need is our flexible detangle brush or a detangle comb to detangle your hair, a scalp massager which is optional, and a hairdryer with a diffuser if you decide to dry your hair with heat. You can always use a microfiber towel if you choose to air dry. Gently detangle your hair from tip to roots to minimize breakage. Saturate your hair and scalp with warm water. Starting off with wet hair, gently cleanse your scalp with our Cantu Weightless Smoothing Shampoo. Softly massage with your fingertips. On the first shampoo, you might notice a light lather. This is because it's sulfate-free. If you have any heavy product buildup, repeat if necessary. You'll notice that the shampoo will lather more. Conditioning your hair is essential for healthy, nourished, frizz-free, defined waves or curls. With the Cantu Weightless Smoothing Conditioner, your hair will get moisturized without weighing your hair down or leaving a greasy residue. You won't need a lot of product to detangle and condition your hair. A little goes a long way, especially on wavy hair. Add a small amount to the palm of your hand, evenly distribute, and brush through from the ends. Let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing with warm water. Now it's time to style! The key to maintaining frizz-free waves and curls is by adding moisture to your hair. It doesn't have to be difficult or time-consuming. Our Weightless 15 Plus Benefit Daily Leave-In is a multi-benefit formula designed to keep your hair healthy and moisturized. The 15 benefits include conditioning, easy detangling, heat and UV protection, and also breakage prevention. Add a small amount to the palm of your hand and evenly distribute. This will help reduce frizz and keep your hair soft. To help activate your curls and waves, use our Cantu Weightless Smooth and Curl Cream on damp hair. Pour a small amount into the palm of your hands and apply on each section from root to ends. The result? Soft, feather-light waves and bouncy curls. Follow up with the Cantu Weightless Smooth and Hold Gel for extra definition and hold. It will banish frizz for up to 48 hours. This gel provides a medium hold and creates a smooth and shiny cast on your hair. When you add the gel to your hair, scrunch upwards until you hear the squishing sound. This will help your natural waves or curls to form. As your hair starts to dry, it will form a layer around each curl. Don't worry, this is normal. Time to dry your hair. You've got two options. Air drying is gentle on your hair and will give you a softer finish. Using a diffuser will speed up your drying time and give you more volume with reduced frizz. Always put the heat settings to low or medium. Once your hair has fully dried, it will feel slightly crunchy on the outside, but it's moisturized on the inside. This is called a gel cast. To break the cast, add a small amount of your favorite hair gloss or oil and gently scrunch your hair upwards. This will help to seal in the moisture, remove the crunch, and add a long-lasting shine. And there you have it. Soft, bouncy, lightweight hair. Try these tips. Tag us in your wave and curl transformations. We'd love to see them.